Hi everyone, Rebecca here from Puddle Norfolk, and I'm so pleased to be able to speak with you here today. Now here at Puddle we want every child to love swimming, to respect the water and to swim beautifully, and that's why our standards are so high. Now across the UK we teach over 21,000 children every single week to swim, and I can't wait to bring those classes down to you here at Norfolk. So in Norfolk our classes will initially be for children between the ages of birth up to 4 years of age. And the great news is that you can start at any point, so we don't operate in terms or in courses. Now your child will be in a class with other children of a similar age, and our expert teachers have been trained to be able to individually tailor all of the activities within those classes to meet the needs and the pace of your own child. So the classes themselves are 30 minutes long and include a careful balance of activities, which could include individual and group work, floating, swimming, elective submersions, and these are all 100% child-led activities. And they've all been carefully chosen and planned in line with the cutting edge in developments in child psychology, child development, and also learning techniques. Now fun really is at the heart of our classes, but they go way beyond just that. Our classes are all about that bonding with your child and are all about play. So much so that your child won't even realise that they're learning to swim and learning a key life skill that could help to save their life one day. So locations for our Puddle Norfolk classes will be released soon, which is really exciting news, and I would love to offer you a free trial lesson so that you can come and see for yourself that we really are the perfect introduction to your swimming. Just click on the link that's in the commentary below this video to send me an inquiry directly. I can't wait to see you at the pool, and we look forward to seeing you at the Norfolk Bump and Beyond Baby and Toddler Fair at the Norfolk Showground on Sunday the 20th of September.